Welcome again to the AI Durandar series. See, have you ever wondered that why AI is always, not rendering a charts properly? You wanted to render a chart in a pie chart basis, but it renders on a line basis or a bar chart. But the problem is that AI do not understand our data first. It understand, but the way that it should have understood, it's not understanding. So that's why we were using a traditional, we were using a Power BI, Tableau to render charts and dashboards. So generally, the chartered accountant always wants, or maybe a CFO, CEO always wants the information in a summarized way and in a visualization way. So in that information that we provide to them after analyzing the data and each and everything in a one kind of a dashboard, and in that dashboard there are so many charts and so many informations which CEO or CFO must have. So that kind of a charts we can render using AI, but AI had in HTML or maybe a CSS or JavaScripts or so many charts libraries are already available in the market, and those charts library like charts.js, eCharts, all libraries has been made for a use of human and not use for a AI. But still, if you go to AI and tell that using chart.js or maybe eCharts, make these charts, so AI will make it, but those were made only for human understanding how to render those charts by human only. So Microsoft understood this problem, and after understanding this problem, it has came out one charts rendering. Charts can be rendered by AI, not by human. So what it does, it understand our data, and we don't need to explain too much. So every time we have to explain that revenue is in a number or maybe profit is in a number, but now AI understand all the things automatically using Microsoft Flint and renders generally 46 plus types of charts, and from which we can make a good dashboard. So now after I have used it and I have seen it that I have gone to the normal charts rendering, and after using this I can understand that this is a really good, the Microsoft come out with this Flint one is a really good, and it will it will help so many people including CFOs, CEOs, or maybe chartered accountants, or maybe other professionals or businessmen to understand their own data, and that a visualization it can be rendered by which one can have one kind of a decisions. So those kind of things, it's already been made by Microsoft Flint, and I already shared the link. You can go and find it out. You just need to connect via MCP to any AI like a Claude or ChatGPT or a Gemini. Just connect via MCP and you give your own data and just tell that analyze and render using Microsoft Flint a charts dashboard. So it will do it automatically everything. Now you just need to be relaxed, and it will render whole charts and whole everything by understanding your data. Thank you.